Hey guys, for today's video ay gagawa po tayo ng pancake. At ito na po ang mga ingredients. 1 tablespoon of melted margarine, 1 egg, pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup water, 1 cup all-purpose flour, and pinch of yellow food coloring. At ito na po ang procedure kung paano natin gawin ang pancake. First, sift the flour. Isi-sift po natin ang ating flour upang maging smooth ang ating pancake. Iko-combine lang po natin ang lahat ng mga dry ingredients. Yung sugar, yung all-purpose flour, yung baking powder. Combine and mix well. After combining the dry ingredients, let's add in all the wet ingredients like the egg, melted margarine, and the water. Ang water po can be replaced by evaporated milk. Food coloring. So, imimix na natin until smooth. Huwag lang natin ito i-overmix. So, ito na guys. Ready na ang ating pancake batter. Lagyan po natin ng kaunting mantika ang frying pan bago tayo maglagay ng pancake mixture na 1/4 cup for each pancake. This time, hintayin natin ang edge ay maging color brown and the top to bubble. It's ready to be flipped. Yan ang indication na pwede na siyang i-flip. Use the flat spatula to flip the pancake. Konting margarine po ang nilagay bago magluto ng another pancake. Same procedure lang po ang ating gagawin for the next batch. Be sure na hindi masunog ang ating pancake. Pwede natin i-adjust ang heat into low kung mainit na siya. It's done! Sa recipe na to ay nakagawa kami ng 3 pancake. This time, pinapahiran ng margarine ang pancake at nilalagyan din ng asukal, refined sugar. Taran! It's ready to serve!